Have you seen the empty streets of Istanbul? I will take you to a historical Istanbul tour at night. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Fatih here. Well, I realized that I don't have many videos about Istanbul at night. So I'm in Istanbul, on the streets of Istanbul at night, and I'm gonna show you the nighttime of Istanbul. Before I dive into the video, please subscribe to my channel. I make travel videos around the world and videos about Istanbul in this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's check it out together. I'm on the Galata Bridge. Well, this is the historical part of Istanbul, and I'm walking from Karakoy to the historical part, which is Eminonu. So I'm walking Eminonu and Sirkeci area at night. It's winter time, but still people are coming here for fishing. It's minus 2-3 degrees right now, and people are fishing here. I'm not really used to fishing. I don't know, it's quite boring for me. But people are crazy about this fishing stuff, especially on the Galata Bridge. They're coming early in the morning and they're staying up to really late. Walking in Istanbul, especially in these historical areas, it's quite safe. So just don't worry. Just keep walking, but beware of the scammers. There are lots of scammers here. You can watch my Istanbul scams video up here, by the way. It's quite informative video about scams in Istanbul. By the way, in this Eminonu area, you can always eat fresh fish product. You can find it almost everywhere in Eminonu. Just don't be afraid of going out at night in Istanbul, especially in this historical area. I'm on the Galata Bridge right now. By the way, street foods, no matter what time it is, you can always find street foods in Istanbul. Let me show you some examples. If you are wondering about the street foods in Istanbul, what you can get, what you can find, you can watch my previous detailed street food video up here. It's very cold. I don't feel my fingers. I have even gloves, but it's very cold in Istanbul these days. These boats are working pretty late. You can cross to the Asian side. By the way, I don't have much video in the Asian side too. I will make detailed video about Istanbul's Asian side as well. Istanbul is pretty fun at night, but if it's really cold that I don't feel my fingers, it's not that much fun. I will use some drone shots as well. Istanbul is a pretty city, especially at night. So come here in summer, enjoy the night of Istanbul, beautiful, lightning night of Istanbul. Might seem scary on the screen when you are watching like silent empty street. It's because of winter, Nobody's around at night. It's really cold. My fingers are frozen. But especially the touristic areas are totally safe. Just don't worry about going out in Istanbul at night. In general, it's a safe city. Too much police around. From Eminonu, I made it to the Hagia Sophia. I love this area. This is the most historical part of Istanbul, and at night it's quite safe. To get inside this historical area, you have to pass the police security check, so it's quite safe. You can come and enjoy at night. People know about the Blue Mosque. Blue Mosque, it's called Sultan Ahmet Mosque in Turkish. And the Sultan who gave the order for this mosque, his tomb is right next to the Blue Mosque. That's his tomb. So when you are in Blue Mosque area, you can just go and visit that tomb as well. Tomb of Sultan Ahmet. One of my subscribers had commented before about the stray dogs on the street in Istanbul. Well, just in case, if you see a dog barking at you, just don't run. If you run, they will come after you and bite you. So if you face a situation like that, just do not run. Try to stay calm. If you have a bag or something, just try to get them away. I'm not used to see this Blue Mosque area this much empty. Nobody's around. It's too cold. It's like -4 or 5 degrees right now. It's almost 10-11 p.m. so nobody's around here. Well, this was it today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, and comment below what would you like to see in this channel.